I think if I had one tip for a company who's developing a value proposition in GI or other spaces, it's that in their value proposition, they need to make it clear that they understand that we're in a dramatic time of change in healthcare. And them saying that we're going to do a value proposition because other people have done this in the past the same way is not going to work. So I think that they need to communicate in their value proposition what will allow them to be successful or have the highest likelihood of success in the current ongoing change within the system. So it's challenging to develop a value statement that in a short elevator pitch like value statement can address all the things that a med device company that's developing a product needs to do. I think the way that I really consider this is the value statement, if you think about it as a portrait, is what the main focus of the portrait is. The background of the painting also tells the context. And so I think that the value proposition may tell people the tagline of your product, but as you pitch your company, you tell the background that really puts it in context, and that's where people need to address all the stakeholders that are unique to healthcare that they need to be able to meet the needs of. I think that the AGA Center for GI Technology and Innovation is a unique resource within GI. I think it ends up being the focal point of a number of connections that otherwise wouldn't happen. Connecting academics with entrepreneurs, connecting researchers with commercialization expertise, connecting the people that really can help take an idea from the old line, the bench to the bedside, and translate it into a commercial product. And I think it's a unique resource in terms of what is offered to the folks in GI. I come to the AGA Tech Summit because it's a really unique group of people. The size is small enough to manage multiple interactions and meetings while also being able to interact with all the key stakeholders, from entrepreneurs to academics to scientists to startup company CEOs and other folks in the ecosystem, such as folks from the FDA and from CMS. So a very unique venue. I've been able to see a number of companies here at the Tech Summit. Don't want to say any specifics if we've identified anything that we would invest in, but there are a number of promising companies, and I'm encouraged by the progress that the GI field has made in terms of innovation. I think we still have a long way to go in terms of developing technologies and really fundamentally changing the way GI care is delivered, but I feel encouraged by the products that I've seen.